If you're someone who loves to travel, then you know how important the right gadgets can be to make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. In today's video, we're counting down the top 10 best Amazon gadgets for travelers that will totally transform your next trip. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a road trip enthusiast, these gadgets are designed to keep you organized, connected, and stress-free on the go. And trust me, you won't want to miss the last one. It's a game changer for anyone who loves to explore. So make sure you stick around until the end, and while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon, so you never miss out on more must-have travel gear and gadgets. Ready to upgrade your travel game? Let's dive in. Number 10, Itex Luggage Scale. Imagine this, you've just returned from a dream vacation, your suitcase bursting with souvenirs and treasures. But wait, what's that sinking feeling? You step onto the scale with your suitcase, and it's over the limit. Enter the Itex Luggage Scale. This little gadget is like your personal travel assistant, ensuring you never face those dreaded overweight baggage fees again. With its sleek design and easy-to-read display, all you have to do is hook it onto your bag, lift, and voila! You'll know exactly how much your luggage weighs before you even get to the airport. It's lightweight and fits right in your pocket, perfect for those spontaneous shopping sprees. Number 9, Mare Airplane Travel Essentials Phone Holder. Now, picture yourself on a long-haul flight. You've got a great movie lined up on your phone, but there's one problem: how do you watch it comfortably? That's where the Mare Airplane Travel Essentials Phone Holder swoops in to save the day. This clever little device clips onto your tray table and holds your phone at just the right angle. With its 360-degree rotation, you can adjust it to find the perfect view. No more awkward neck angles or straining to see the screen. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy your in-flight entertainment like never before. Number 8, ANIU Portable Charger. As you embark on your adventures, staying connected is crucial. But what happens when your phone battery starts dwindling? Panic sets in. Fear not, the ANIU Portable Charger has got your back. With its impressive 10,000 mAh capacity, this compact power bank can charge multiple devices at once, perfect for those long days of exploring. Imagine hiking through breathtaking landscapes or wandering bustling city streets while knowing that a quick recharge is just a pocket away. With this gadget in hand, you'll never miss capturing that perfect sunset or navigating through unfamiliar places. Number 7, Bilio Mini Sound Machine. After a long day of travel, sometimes all you want is a good night's sleep. But what if your hotel room is noisy or filled with unfamiliar sounds? Enter the Bilio Mini Sound Machine. This little gem offers 15 soothing sounds, from gentle rain to calming ocean waves, helping you create your own personal oasis wherever you are. Just press a button and let the sounds wash over you like a warm blanket. It's compact enough to toss in your bag but powerful enough to drown out distractions so you can drift off into dreamland. Number 6, Apple AirTag. Now let's talk about one of the biggest travel fears: losing your luggage. It can send shivers down any traveler's spine. Thankfully, with the Apple AirTag, you can breathe easily. This tiny tracking device attaches effortlessly to your bags or personal items. When you arrive at your destination and realize something's missing, simply pull out your iPhone and track it down in seconds. Imagine strolling through an unfamiliar airport with peace of mind, knowing that if something goes awry, you've got a reliable backup plan right in your pocket. Number 5, 12 South Airfly Pro. If you're someone who loves listening to music or watching movies during flights but hates tangled wires, then the 12 South Airfly Pro is about to become your new best friend. This nifty Bluetooth audio transmitter connects wirelessly to in-flight entertainment systems or gym equipment, no cords required. Picture yourself on a long flight, comfortably settled in with your favorite tunes blasting through your wireless headphones while everyone else fumbles with their tangled cords. It's like having VIP access to entertainment without any hassle. Number 4, Charmast Power Bank. As we approach our top picks, let's talk about staying powered up on the go. The Charmast Power Bank is here to ensure that no matter where you are, whether hiking up a mountain or lounging on a beach, you'll always have enough juice for your devices. With an incredible capacity of 26,800 mAh and multiple charging ports, it's like having an electricity station right in your bag. Imagine capturing every moment of your adventure without fear of running out of battery. It's freedom at its finest. Number 3, MyPin TSA Approved Smart Digital Lock. Security is paramount when traveling, and that's why we're excited about the MyPin TSA Approved Smart Digital Lock. This isn't just any lock, it combines security with convenience. Picture this: you're at the airport, and the TSA needs to inspect your bag. Instead of worrying about them breaking into it with their tools, they can easily unlock it without causing any damage. With this smart lock keeping watch over your belongings, you can focus on enjoying every moment of your trip without anxiety. Number 2, Bose Quiet Comfort 45 Headphones. And now we arrive at our runner-up, the legendary Bose Quiet Comfort 45 Headphones. If you've ever been on a noisy flight or found yourself in a bustling cafe trying to concentrate, you'll understand why these headphones are essential. Imagine slipping them on and instantly being enveloped in rich sound while all external noise fades away like magic. Whether you're listening to music or catching up on podcasts during long layovers, these headphones provide an unmatched experience that makes every journey more enjoyable. Number 1, Epica Universal Travel Adapter. Finally, taking our number 1 spot is the ultimate travel companion, the Epica Universal Travel Adapter. This gadget is an absolute game-changer for globetrotters. With compatibility in over 150 countries and multiple USB ports for charging several devices simultaneously, it's like having a universal key for all electrical outlets around the world. Picture yourself effortlessly plugging in wherever you go, whether it's sipping coffee in Paris or exploring ancient ruins in Rome. This adapter ensures you're always connected. And that wraps up our top 10 best Amazon gadgets for travelers. Which one are you adding to your packing list for your next adventure? Or maybe you already use some of these? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you gear up for your trips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on more travel tips, gear recommendations, and awesome gadgets. Thanks for watching, and safe travels. I'll catch you in the next one.